Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming model and OS so you use the correct settings and tools. First, plug the calibrated charger into a stable wall outlet. Make sure the cable is intact. Once connected, enable airplane mode and close heavy apps to stop background drain. This stabilizes current. Next, open battery settings and note current health percentage and peak charge limit. Doing this sets a baseline. You need accurate readings to know if calibration or charging cycles will help. You now calibrate and condition the battery to restore accurate reporting and balance cells. First, charge the device to 100% and leave it charging 1 to 2 hours to ensure a full top-off. Then use the device until it reaches about 5 to 10%. Avoid sudden drops or forced shutdowns because those harm cells. Once low, charge uninterrupted back to 100% again. Repeat this charge-discharge cycle 2 to 3 times over the next 48 to 72 hours to improve reporting and settle cell chemistry. You finish by optimizing settings to preserve the improvements. Set battery saver, and where available, enable a peak charge limit near 80% to reduce wear. This helps long-term capacity. Make sure system and firmware updates are installed, and inspect apps for abnormal wake or CPU use. Disable or uninstall offenders. If health percentage remains low after conditioning, run built-in diagnostics or consult authorized service, because physical cell degradation may require replacement. Remember, conditioning helps reporting and balance versus fixing worn cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.